The Core Education Toolkit, a free online resource supporting everyone working in education in getting comfortable with key topics and debates about children and online technologies. The toolkit guides users through the first steps of getting acquainted with research, covering key topics such as online risks, digital skills, privacy, and well-being. Furthermore, the toolkit provides guidance on using research in education practice and gives useful tips on staying up to date with research and evidence. Beyond that, the toolkit points to a myriad of relevant resources for educators, parents, and guardians in policymaking. The goal of the Core Education Toolkit is to bring evidence and practice closer together and help people working with kids in digital environments develop evidence-based approaches of assessing and working with technology for kids.